Hey, so today is my birthday, so I went shopping, yay. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got today. So the first thing I got today is this shirt. It's just Under Armour. Zebra print. And it is these American Eagle shorts. So, yeah, that's all I got today. So, thank you for watching my video.